summer now, I'm going to make 3 different miniature swimsuits for Barbie dolls. I did make a pattern so it's easier to follow. It's not perfect, but it is something to base off of. I'm going to print this out, and then first I want to make the one piece. So I'm going to cut these out of the paper first. Now that I have the patterns cut out, I think I'm going to make the one piece first. I'm going to place this onto the fabric that I want to use. I want to use white for this one, and I'm just going to cut out around it. And I'm going to hem along this part and also in these 2 shapes down here. I hemmed pretty much all around the outside except on these 2 parts there. I'm going to fold it in half on itself like this. And I'm going to sew from there until here on both sides. And I'm also going to sew these 2 top parts together. Turn it inside out. To make a one-piece suit, now I'm going to make a different style of bikini top. This one I want to do in pink. I'm going to place the pattern on top and then I'm going to cut it out. Now I'm going to hem around all the edges. Now I'm going to take a needle and thread and I'm going to put it in at the back here. I'm going to do a couple stitches in the front so that it will gather. And then keep going so it looks something like this. Now I'm going to line up these ends and sew along here and also sew these top pieces together. To make the top, I'm going to take the pattern for the bottoms and I'm going to put it on fabric, and same thing, I'm just going to cut this out. Then I'm going to hem along both of these curves and also the top and bottom. After I hem it, I fold it onto itself and I'm going to sew along both sides. Turn it inside out. To make a bikini swimsuit, I'm going to make a different style. I cut a 2" by 1.5" rectangle and I fold down and hem the top and bottom. Now I'm going to do the same thing in the middle with this one so that I make a gathered effect. Now I'm going to take a piece of elastic and I'm going to sew it on like this so that it makes a sleeve, like this. I also sewed it together in the back. I used the same pattern from before to make the bottoms for the last bathing suit. This one is probably my favorite because I just like the creamish color and I like the design where this one is pulled into the center. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. Bye! Relaxing by the pool. Right, guys? Yep. It's finally summer. Can't wait to go to the beach.
You really think you're going, Icicle?
What's that supposed to mean, junk?
You haven't been very nice this year.
What are you, Santa? Who cares? Oh, you can come. You're staying at our beach house. Sea trash?
But I get to decide what luggage that I bring.
If anything, I'd be bringing you.
Sure. What do you think, Sam? Sam?
I'm pretty sure he's asleep.
Sam. This'll wake him up. Ah! That was lame, Icicle. He didn't even get splashed a little bit. Then you try, animal. Ah! What the? Who did that? Me.
Me.
Animal.